Our planet faces a challenge. The sheer volume of waste we generate is staggering, and it's growing every day. Landfills are overflowing and our natural landscapes are suffering. We produce vast amounts of waste. This impacts our environment in profound ways, from pollution to the depletion of natural resources. But there is hope. Innovation is transforming recycling. New technologies are emerging and they offer exciting possibilities. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop methods that can turn our waste into something valuable. We can turn waste into valuable resources. Imagine a world where every piece of trash is given a new life, where discarded materials are transformed into new products. This is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality. This is a turning tide. And the clock is ticking and we must act now. The urgency to adopt these innovations has never been greater. It's time to embrace these innovations. Engineers and innovators are coming together, brainstorming and collaborating to create solutions that can change the world. Their work is paving the way for a more sustainable future. Recycling is not just about sorting plastic and paper anymore, it's about rethinking waste. Advanced technologies like AI and robotics are revolutionizing the way we handle waste, making the process more efficient and effective. It's about seeing potential in what we discard. Creative minds are finding new ways to upcycle and repurpose materials, turning trash into treasure. This is the future of recycling. Futuristic technologies are being integrated into modern recycling plants, making them more capable than ever before. A future where waste is not the end, but a new beginning. Imagine cities thriving with green spaces powered by the very waste we once discarded. It's a future we must strive for. Together, we can make this vision a reality. By embracing innovation in recycling, we can create a sustainable world for generations to come. Our planet's resources are finite. We are using them at an alarming rate. This cannot continue indefinitely. Recycling is essential. It helps us conserve these precious resources. It reduces our reliance on extracting new materials. Think of the forests. We cut them down for paper. Recycling paper saves trees. It protects our forests. It preserves biodiversity. The same applies to other materials, metals, plastics, glass. All can be recycled. This reduces mining and its environmental impact. Recycling is crucial for a sustainable future. Traditional recycling has its limits. Some materials are difficult to recycle. This is where innovation comes in. New technologies are pushing boundaries. Chemical recycling, for example, is transforming the industry. It breaks down plastics into their basic components. These can then be used to create new plastics. Artificial intelligence and robotics are also playing a role. They can sort materials more efficiently. This improves recycling rates. Biorecycling uses microorganisms. They break down organic waste. This creates compost or biogas. These technologies offer exciting potential. Around the world, companies are embracing these innovations. Loop Industries is a prime example. They use chemical recycling to create new plastics. Their technology can recycle even complex multi-layered plastics. This is a major breakthrough. Zen Robotics, a Finnish company, uses AI-powered robots. These robots sort waste at recycling facilities. They are highly efficient and accurate. Carbios, a French company, focuses on biorecycling. They have developed enzymes that can break down PET plastic. These companies are leading the way. They show what is possible. Section 5, the road ahead, overcoming challenges to widespread adoption. As we look towards the future, it's clear that while significant strides have been made, there are still numerous hurdles to overcome. Despite the progress, challenges remain. One of the most pressing issues is the sheer volume of waste that continues to accumulate in landfills. Cost is a major factor. Traditional recycling methods are often cheaper, but they are not always the most efficient or environmentally friendly. New recycling technologies can be expensive to implement. These advanced systems require significant investment in both time and money. This can be a barrier for some companies. Smaller businesses in particular may struggle to afford these new technologies, limiting their ability to participate in more sustainable practices. It's important to scale up these technologies. Large-scale implementation is necessary to make a meaningful impact on waste management. We need them to handle the growing amount of waste. As populations grow and consumption increases, the amount of waste generated also rises. Public awareness is also crucial. Educating the public about the benefits and importance of recycling can drive more widespread adoption. People need to understand the importance of recycling. It's not just about separating waste, it's about making a conscious effort to reduce our environmental footprint. They need to know what can and cannot be recycled. Education is key. Clear guidelines and information can help people make better recycling choices. We need to encourage people to recycle more and recycle right. By fostering a culture of responsible recycling, we can collectively make a significant difference in our environment. Section 6, engaging communities, the power of public participation. Public participation is a cornerstone of effective community engagement. It brings people together to address common issues and find collective solutions. Recycling is not just the responsibility of governments and companies, it requires everyone's participation. When individuals take part in recycling efforts, it creates a ripple effect that can lead to significant environmental benefits. Communities play a vital role. They are the backbone of grassroots movements and can drive change from the ground up. By working together, communities can tackle local issues more effectively. Local initiatives can make a big difference, whether it's a community, a garden, a local recycling project, or neighbourhood composting. These efforts contribute to a healthier environment and a stronger sense of community. This could involve setting up community composting programs. These programs not only reduce waste, but also provide valuable compost for local gardens and green spaces. It could also mean organising workshops on recycling. These workshops can educate residents on the importance of recycling and how to do it correctly. Schools can educate children about recycling by incorporating recycling education into the curriculum. Schools can ensure that the next generation understands the importance of environmental stewardship. They can instill good habits from a young age. Teaching children to sort waste and recycle properly can lead to lifelong sustainable practices. Public awareness campaigns can be effective. These campaigns can reach a wide audience and encourage more people to participate in recycling efforts. They can highlight the benefits of recycling by showcasing the positive impacts of recycling, such as reduced pollution and conservation of resources. These campaigns can motivate individuals to take action. They can also provide clear guidelines on how to recycle properly. Every individual can contribute. By following these guidelines, everyone can play a part in creating a more sustainable future. Section 7, the economics of sustainability, balancing cost and long-term benefits. Some argue that new recycling technologies are too expensive. They focus on the upfront costs, but we must consider the long-term benefits. Recycling saves resources, it reduces pollution, it creates jobs. These benefits have economic value. Investing in recycling is an investment in our future. It's about creating a more sustainable economy, one that is less reliant on finite resources, one that generates less waste. This requires a shift in perspective. We need to think long term, we need to prioritize sustainability. Section 8, a global imperative towards a circular economy. The vision is clear. We need to move towards a circular economy. In this model, waste is minimized, resources are kept in use for as long as possible. Recycling is a crucial part of this. It closes the loop. International collaboration is essential. We need to share knowledge and technologies. Developed countries can assist developing nations. Together, we can accelerate the transition to a circular economy. This is a global challenge. It requires a global solution. Section 9, a brighter future, recycling for a sustainable tomorrow. The future of recycling is full of promise. Innovation is driving progress. Companies are stepping up. Communities are getting involved. We are moving towards a more sustainable future. Recycling is not just about waste management, it's about resource management, it's about protecting our planet, it's about creating a better future for generations to come. Let's embrace the power of recycling. Together we can make a difference.